Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in this video, we're taking a look at this gaming headset. Now, the company was nice enough to send me this headset in exchange for this video, and I'm super excited to talk to you today about some of the features it offers. Now, the first thing I noticed about this headset is it's really nice and lightweight here. They offer great levels of comforts through these ear pads here. They just kind of rest against my head, as this is an over-the-ear headset. I also wanted to mention that there is a nice headrest here, and the microphone can adjust by simply just twisting it in. You can make it closer to your mouth or pulling it out if you don't want it as close. Now, that kind of tip here on the microphone is really great. If you go ahead and mute the mic, you'll notice that it actually illuminates red to show you that your mic is muted, and I can catch that out of my peripheral vision, so I know that my mic is muted. Now, another feature I wanted to show you on this headset is this kind of design here. I really like it a lot. It's on both sides of the headset, and there's a button you can actually go ahead and switch the color if you want to go ahead and change it, and they do have a lot of different color options, including a multicolor one as well. Now, as far as the headset audio itself, I really like it a lot. The microphone sounds really nice and clear, but also the audio coming from the headset just feels really nice and clear and detailed, and just overall, I've had a great experience with the audio quality from this headset. I want to show you one of the coolest features about this headset, and this is this little control panel here. You'll notice this is 7.1 surround sound, so we can go ahead and just push that to activate that. We've got an EQ specifically for music, gaming, or even for a movie. On the side here, we have a few different controls, including a master volume dial here. We've got a mute switch, so we can go ahead and mute our mic. And then we've also got on the other side, two of my favorite features. One is noise cancellation for your microphone. You can easily turn that on by tapping that button. And my very favorite feature is the mixer between chat audio, such as maybe Discord audio, and your game audio. You can easily go ahead and adjust that and find the right balance for you. All of this is on a clip. You can easily clip to you. But overall, guys, I've just been so impressed with this headset. I think it's super nice and high quality. I've tested out a lot of different gaming headsets, and this one has the coolest features and great audio, a very clear mic, and I would highly, highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.